Hey guys, welcome to the Learn to Make Epic Low Poly Scene Intermediate course. This course is mainly targeted for intermediate users in ZBrush, Unity, Maya, and Photoshop. And this is also the follow-up course on the beginner's course. So I suggest you take the beginner's course first if you don't have a basic and fundamental understanding of color theory, modeling, importing and exporting to different softwares without having any problem in terms of translation, pivot points, and whatsoever. And also if you don't have a fundamental understanding of color theory, because I've done an extensive lecture about that. And I'm not going to be explaining that in detail on this course because I've already done that. So basics on particle systems, prefabbing, level art, and all that stuff. And that's all that we've covered really on the beginner's course. And if you feel like you already know all that stuff, just jump right in on this course because this course is going to be a level up of that course. So what's new in this course? What are we going to cover up? So the main focus of this course is enhancing what you already know. So the things that I've taught you on the beginner's course, or maybe the things that you already know, if you haven't taken that course, will be leveled up, or that will be enhanced. So further organizing, because we are going to add new folders and new projects on our old current folder. We are going to try out different color schemes and apply it on our scene so that you guys can get used of how I use different color schemes on different scenes so that it looks good, right? We will do a different lighting, we will add additional VFX and particle system, because if you look at the scene right here, you can easily create the scene using what you've already know on the beginner's course. So I have to create something different, something complex, something that's a level up of that beginner's course. Because I'm not going to teach you guys the same thing over and over because that's going to be boring. You guys need to learn different techniques and different ways of doing things, and you can choose your way from there on whichever is efficient for you in terms of working. So also as a bonus, we are going to create a shader because we are mainly creating a swamp, right? So we want that mesh to kind of like bend and turn into water. And we're also going to render on Cinemachine. That's something that we didn't touch up on our beginner's course. Like we just kind of screenshot it. Well, some of you rendered in Cinemachine, some of you took a video, but I figure I'm gonna add something different here and kind of teach you guys how to render properly. So that's something that I'm going to add on this course, rendering. So this course is going to be, of course, faster than the beginner's course, but don't expect it to be easy. Because like I said, I will up the complexity so you guys can be a better artist. But don't be scared or afraid. Everything's gonna be easy and it's going to make sense. And also for the people that's coming from the beginner's course, if you see a video with the tag skip, just like this one, these are the videos that you've already watched. And these videos are just here solely so that the people that are only enrolled in this course is not going to be lost.
Alright, so enough of this stuff. We will see you guys on the next video. Bye!